There's a Greek root, tomos. Anyone know what this Greek root means? It's in the word anatomy. It's in the word
categorize.
No, it's in the word dichotomy. It's in the word tomography. It means to cut. And let's see, atom means can't be cut. Anatomy means I cut. That's how we learn about anatomy. Cut open thing. What we're going to do here is a conceptual arrangement called a dichotomy. This is to cut into two parts. And it's a question that you ask of something that only has two possible responses. That's a true dichotomy. Yes or no? Yes or no question. Black or white? Positive or negative? That is a true dichotomy. So we're going to put this concept to work for us, asking a question that has two possible answers. Again, we're not thinking about bacteria for a few minutes. Think of yourself as an alien visitor to planet Earth. And you're an early naturalist. Your job is to categorize the life on our planet, on this planet. It's not your planet.
It will be.
Yeah. You're the first wave. All right, so you go around and you find that the most abundant visible organism on the planet are arthropods. So you give the name arthropod, jointed foot, to a bunch of things, right? All of these have exoskeletons, right? It's easy to see that. You break one open, it's gooey inside. The hard parts are on the outside. All of these things that you see have jointed feet. Right? They're segmented, right? So you give them the name arthropod. So you got this big world dominated, so you think, by arthropods. But see, if it has an exoskeleton and it has a jointed foot, there's still a lot of different kinds. You've got this whole big variety of things that qualify as arthropods. So you, being the naturalist, you're the first wave. You're trying to categorize these things and make it so that the second and third wave of alien visitors can know what they're looking at if they happen to find one. So your job is to make a key. All right, so out of all of these various arthropods, let's ask a question that, depending on the answer, would separate our list of how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 things into two lists of approximately 7.
Does it have wings?
Does it have 6 legs?
Ah, there's a real general question to ask. You know, and both of them are general questions. Do they have wings or not? But let's just, you know, the legs are easier to count than determining whether there are wings. Sometimes the wings are hidden. Sometimes the wings are folded. So, does it have 6 legs? Okay, yes, no. True dichotomy. Can you think of any other options to this question? It's a true dichotomy. It either does have 6 legs or it doesn't. All right, so I'm going to start moving my stuff around. Yes, wasps, lobsters, no. Scorpions, no. Millipedes, no.
I don't even know these.
Butterflies, yes. Spiders, no. Bees, yes. Ants, cockroaches, yes, yes. 6 centipedes, no.
I didn't know this.
I know, I'm like, I
Moths,
need
yes.
pictures to verify this.
I know.
I have separated my large variety universe of arthropods into 2 groups of 6 and 8. Okay, it's not exactly half, but we're going for questions that would split our groups into half. We've done that by asking a very general question. All right, so now let's go with this no group. What question could I ask that would separate these up into about half?
Does it have 4 legs?
Does it live in the water? Can it be outside?
How about Are they poisonous or not?
How would you find out unless you got stung by it?
Naturalists get stung all the time. Well, because I'm selecting that question, poisonous or not poisonous, because depending on yes or no, I can split my list into about half.
True that, true that.
What about spiders, though?
Spiders are poisonous. Yes?
Not all.
No. Well, sure they are. They gotta eat. They're hunters.
They're not poisonous to us, they're poisonous to things. They got
Scorpions.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes. Lobsters. No.
Unless you're
Spiders. Yes.
allergic to shelter.
Ticks.
Yes.
No. Millipedes.
Yes.
No.
Oh no, it's centipedes.
Centipedes. Yes. See, I did split my list into half.
Oh.
All right, let's go with a question that would split this list up.
Are they-
Centipedes, scorpions, and spiders.
Are they arachnids?
Well, what is the definition of arachnid?
I don't know.
8 legs.
8 legs.
Does it
it's
have 8 legs?
No.
8 legs? Question mark. Yes. No. Centipede, no.
No. Spiders, yes.
Spiders and scorpions, yes. How about a question that would allow me to separate spiders and scorpions?
Is it hairy? I don't know.
Does it
Does it
have
have a
claws?
Is that
Claws.
a
All right. There's several we could ask. I mean, we only need one question to split these up, and it's going to be a very specific, precise question, right? Not gonna. It wouldn't do to ask that question way up here.
Yeah.
But up down here, where we're down to just discriminating between two, we could say, what was it? Claws.
Claws.
Yes. No. Spiders. No. Scorpions. Yes.
Well, don't some
We've
spiders
come to the end of the line for those. How about these?
Don't camel spiders have claws though? I don't know.
Tail stinger.
There you go, thank you. Sorry, that's my question.
Damn biologists. Tail stinger. Yes. No. Okay. Scorpion. Spiders. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. See, we went from here to here to here to here, and we keyed them out completely. We've got to the end of the line here. Now we need to do the same thing with this group. They don't have 6 legs. They're not poisonous, but they're still different.
Do they
What
live in
can-
water?
Okay. Aquatic?
Aquatic.
Question mark, yes, no. Lobsters, yes. Ticks and millipedes, no. Alright, gotta split these up. What question could you ask to discriminate between ticks and millipedes? Come on, there's lots. Parasites? Someone said bloodsuckers. Yeah, we ask if they're parasitic.
Good job, you told girl.
Parasitic? Yes, no. Ticks, yes. Millipedes, no.
No. Millipedes is
All right.
good, so.
See, each question is depending on the answer to the previous question. And we've gone from very general to very, very specific here. But we've keyed out all of the organisms that don't have 6 legs.